How to use Microsoft Teams on browser. No app installed or prefer a web interface, you can still access Microsoft Teams directly from a browser on your iPhone. Enjoy full functionality without downloads. Let's use Teams on your mobile browser. Open your preferred web browser on your iPhone, such as Safari or Chrome. In the address bar, type teams.microsoft.com and press Go or Enter. This will take you to the Microsoft Teams web login page. Click on Sign In. Enter your Microsoft Teams username and password to log in. Once authenticated, you will be able to access most Team features directly within your browser, including charts, channels, files, and meetings. The interface might be slightly optimized for mobile web. You are now using Microsoft Teams on your browser. Access your collaboration hub from anywhere. Like and subscribe for more Microsoft Teams flexibility tips.